These are the top tool deals you're going to find at Lowe's in December of 2024. You don't want to miss a single one of these awesome deals. And you can shop them using the links in the description, the pinned comment, or that shop button right here on YouTube. Thank you to Lowe's for sponsoring this video. Let's go. First on the list, the very, very popular Bosch 1617 router. I have this router in my router table and it's been in there for several years now. An absolutely amazing router. This is a fantastic price. You're getting $59.70 off, so almost $60 off. Was $199 all the way down to $139. If you need a router for the shop, this is the one to get. One of the sneaky good deals, one of the best power tool deals that I found at Lowe's this holiday season has been this. This is a Skil Power Core 12-volt 10-tool brushless power tool combo kit. You're getting 2 batteries plus those 10 tools, which include a fan, the drill, the driver, circular saw, a sander, and some other things include that inflator. Just a really well-rounded tool kit for $300 off. Was $499 all the way down to $199. Next up, from Flex, you get 4 brushless power tools here: the drill, the driver, the work light, and that full-size 7¼ circular saw. Plus, you're also getting that stacked lithium battery inside there as well. 2 batteries, the charger, and that carry bag. Was $649 all the way down to $499. One of the most popular tool storage items that come out in 2024 was from Tough Built earlier this year. Now they have this 3-box storage system discounted by $50. Was $299 all the way down to $249. You'll get all 3 of these boxes for only $249. Or you can check this out. The Craftsman Trade Stack is now $70 off. This is 3 toolbox, the rolling toolbox style. Was $199 all the way down to only $129 for this setup. DeWalt crushed it this year with a bunch of brand new tool releases, and this was one of them. This is their brand new drill. This drill has an anti-rotation feature that I absolutely love. If it catches in a hole while you're drilling, if you've ever had a drill do that and it twists, it hurts. This has anti-rotation built in, so it will actually shut itself off and not twist your arm up like that. I think this is fantastic. Plus, this kit comes with that 8-amp power pack battery that is absolutely amazing. When you pair it with this drill, next level. This was $349. Now you get $70 off all the way down to $279. If you want a top-of-the-line drill and an amazing battery pack to go with it, this is it. And of course, you got to have drill bits and driver bits to go along with these drills if you buy any or if you already have a drill. This is discounted by $24. This is the 110-piece DeWalt Tough Grip screwdriver bit set. You get all of these driver bits plus some drill bits to go with it for only $25. This was $49. Clamps. You got to have some clamps. Jorgensen has their parallel clamps on sale. This is a 24-inch. There's several other models here. Some have sold out. So if you're wanting these, you may want to check them out because they are selling out pretty fast. This one was $44 all the way down to $29. This is a 24-inch version, but there are other versions available, and some of these are also discounted. If you just need some F clamps, you got to check out these VEVOR clamps. I've reviewed several VEVOR tools this year, and I've been impressed with their quality so far. I haven't tried these clamps, but they were $34 all the way down to $19.99. You're getting 2 36-inch clamps for basically $10 each. That's a very good deal. Or you might want to check out their parallel clamps, also on a great deal. This is a 2-pack of 50-inch clamps for only $50. So you're paying $25 each for 50-inch parallel clamps. Kind of unheard of. Next up, Craftsman has some toolboxes on sale that you should check out. This one's $140 off. It was $539 all the way down to $399. This is a 10-drawer rolling toolbox. And if you want to add to that and just get the complete setup, they also have the top of this box on sale. This was $120 off, was $419 all the way down to $299. So you can literally buy this box and then stack them on top of each other and have that complete setup for your shop. And these also come in red or black, all discounted the same price. Or if that's too much toolbox for you, Cobalt also has this on sale. This was $269, now down to $219, saving you $50 off. And this is a 4-drawer rolling tool cabinet. It's quite a bit smaller, saving you some space. So if you don't need those big boxes, you may want to check these out. Next up, a couple of Craftsman 20-volt cordless deals here. I was quite impressed with their quality when I reviewed these earlier this year, Craftsman cordless tools, that is. This is a 2-tool combo kit. You get 2 batteries, the charger, plus the drill and the driver and the bag. This was $149 all the way down to $99. This will make a great little set just around the shop or around the house. Or if you want to go up a little bit, these are a little bit more heavy duty, a little bit more power in there. Drill, the driver, you get the 2 batteries and the charger, and you also get 2 of these free tools with your purchase, and you get to choose from one of these: a grinder, the recip saw, the oscillating tool, or the jigsaw, plus more. Even that router is on there, their sander. This is a fantastic deal. For only $199, you're getting 4 tools and 2 batteries plus a charger. If you need some cordless tools, I wouldn't pass up. Next, one of the best miter saws on the planet as far as I'm concerned, the DWS 779 from DeWalt. I've had this model since 2017. Fantastic saw. This is $100 off, from $599 down to $499, plus you get the free adjustable miter saw stand with it. Absolutely free. This is a $229 value. So this is a fantastic deal if you're in the market for a good miter saw with that stand. If you want to save a little money and get a smaller saw, this is a 10-inch saw. The DeWalt was a 12-inch. I reviewed this earlier this year. Absolutely fantastic saw. I love this saw. I think it's probably the best beginner or budget level miter saw on the market right now. Very good quality, good cuts, no issues at all. Plus that clamp's fantastic on there. Very few miter saws have good clamps. This is a very good deal. Was $249 all the way down to $229. This is just a solid miter saw if you're in the market. Next up is a Cobalt table saw. I reviewed this one also earlier this year. This is a 10-inch, full 10-inch size saw. The one I reviewed did not have this rolling stand, but it was the same saw. So you get this rolling stand with the miter saw for only $279, saving you $70 off the retail price of $349. If you're looking for a table saw on a budget, this is a very good one that's under $300. This is on par, equal to those other ones that I've reviewed before. It's got a very nice rack and pinion fence on it, full-size 10-inch blade, plenty of power to do whatever you want. Solid deal here at $279. Next, the DeWalt Extreme 12-volt max 3/8-inch cordless drill set. This comes with 2 batteries, the charger, plus that 12-volt drill. And you get to choose a free gift with this purchase. That includes several of their tools here, as you can see. So all this for only $149. You get the 2 tools, the 2 batteries, the charger, and that carry case. If you're in the market for a jointer for your shop, you can check out this Grizzly 6-inch benchtop jointer. It was $419. Now it's $54 off, all the way down to $365. Lowe's also has this air filtration system from Grizzly on sale for $30 off. It was $205 all the way down to $175. I have an air filtration in my shop, and it really does make a huge difference on that fine dust. It doesn't matter if you're sanding, if you're routing, if you're using your table saw, that stuff gets thrown in the air. This will help filter it out. And this goes down to 1 micron. So it's filtering out those fine particles in the air. This also has 3 speeds at 260, 362, and 409 CFM. You can hang these from the ceiling so you can use that remote. I've got mine sitting on top of a tall toolbox, but they're all around just a good option to have if you're creating a lot of dust in the shop. And if you want to collect the dust itself as it's coming off the tool, I actually have a dust collector and the air filtration. I think they're both important, but this collects the big stuff, like your big chips from your planers, your jointers, your table saw. This is the Win 12-gallon dry dust collector. Has the polyester filter. Was $150, saving you $24. Only $126 to get you some dust collection in the shop. The dust collector is on wheels, so you can move it around the shop, and it does filter down to 5 microns on that bag. If you need a little smaller dust collection, a lot of us use shop vacs, and I did for a very long time, to collect the dust. This is the DeWalt Stealth Sonic. I've heard nothing but amazing things about the DeWalt Stealth Sonic, how quiet they really are. This is a 5-horsepower wet dry vac. This was $129 all the way down to $89, saving you $40 off. Skil's been stepping up their game this year, and it's been quite impressive. And I've got one tool that I use that I'm fixing to show you that's also on deal. But this is the Skil half-inch drill. This is a 12-volt drill. It was $69 all the way down to $49, saving you $20. And you can also get the Skil 12-volt quarter-inch impact, also for $49, saving you $30 off the retail price. And you're getting a battery and a charger with each one of these. So you can literally get 2 batteries, 2 chargers on these tools, and 2 tools for $100. One of the coolest tools I've used this year and reviewed this year on the channel was this Skil flip drill. This thing is super cool. If you got a drill bit on one side, a driver bit on the other, you can drill your pilot holes and then drive the screw without ever changing the bit out. It's fantastic, and it works extremely well. Has a lot of different power settings on there, so you can really drive the screws deep if you need to. It comes with this battery and the tool, plus you can charge that battery with the USB-C cable that's included, so you don't need a spare, or you don't need to pick up an extra charger. It's going to take up a bunch of space or anything. It's a very cool tool to have in the shop. It was $99, now $79. If you're in the DeWalt platform, this is a deal that you don't want to miss. $199, you get 2 4-amp-hour batteries, 2 2-amp-hour batteries, plus you get to choose a free tool. And there's several here to choose from. Of course, my pick would be the router. I love that router. I think it's one of the better cordless routers on the market. But there's also a bunch of other stuff you can choose from here. So you're getting those batteries and a free tool for only $199. Metabo fans, I'm not leaving you out. I've recently been dabbling with some Metabo cordless tools, and I find them quite impressive. Metabo has this 18-volt 2-tool combo kit with 2 batteries. You get the drill, the driver, the charger, 2 batteries, all for $149. This was $199, saving you $50 off. And they also have their cordless brad nailer on sale. This is an 18-gauge brad nailer. It was $199, also $50 off, down to $149. If you don't have a cordless brad nailer in your shop, they'll change your life, because you don't have that cord you're having to deal with all the time, and a compressor as well. It's just really handy to have. If you're looking for a router table that you can do small operations with on top of the bench, you can store it out of the way. Lowe's has this 12-amp Cobalt router and router table combo on sale. It was $179 all the way down to $129, saving you $50 off. This also has half and quarter-inch collets. It also comes with that edge guide. This might be a great option for you if you need a benchtop style router table. Next up, if I had room for this in my shop, I would probably get it. It's a bestseller as well. This is a Craftsman work seat. Nice padded seat on top, shoe storage underneath, keep your boots and things like that. If you have a mud room or just extra space in the shop where you're going to keep your work boots and things like that, this might be a good option for you. Or sometimes you just need to have a seat. This is $110 off. It was $199 all the way down to $89. I can see this working well in like a deer camp as well. You can save right now $100 off this Cobalt 6-gallon 3-tool compressor plus the air hose. Basically everything you're going to need to get you started with some type of nailers. So you're going to get the hose, the 6-gallon pancake compressor, you're getting the 18-gauge brad nailer, the 23-gauge pin nailer, which I use mine all the time, and a 16-gauge finish nailer for those bigger projects. This was $299 all the way down to $199. Solid deal if you need a compressor with some nailers. Now these technically aren't on deal, but there's only a few left, and I have 3 of these in the shop, and I think they're great for storing small parts. Drill bits is what I have in mind, router bits, things like that. The 3 drawers have already sold out. The 2 drawers are still in stock in a few select colors for only $20. These are just handy as a shirt pocket. Scroll saw fans out there, I hear nothing but great things about the DeWalt scroll saw. I'm not a scroll sawer, but maybe you are. You can save $200 off right now. This does end December 23rd, so only a few days left. It was $599 all the way down to $399. If you want to supercharge your shop, you might want to check out, there's some Delta table saws on sale. This one specifically is $800 off the retail price. This is the Delta Unisaw 10-inch 15-amp 230-volt table saw. It was $3,799 all the way down to only $2,999. You get that 52-inch rip capacity and the very famous Bessemeyer style fence. One of the most popular or famous table saws is the Delta Unisaw. Right now, $800 off this model. There's other models for $1,000 off. I'll link those as well. If you like this video, you got to check it out when Lowe's challenged me to find the best budget woodworking tools in their store. Click in that box, get you the big old virtual fist bump.